Stars Learning TV.
Hi kids, let's write the amazing lowercase alphabets with me. Lowercase A,
Come along, clap your hands, it's time to
lowercase B,
letters dancing all around.
lowercase
Learning
C,
every day from A to Z, we'll laugh
lowercase
and see
D,
how special they can be. Every letter
lowercase
has a charm.
E,
Come and sing with
lowercase F, lowercase
me.
G,
A is for amazing, shining like the
lowercase
sun.
H,
Always bright and cheerful, number
lowercase
one for fun.
I,
B is
lowercase
for brave,
J,
standing tall and strong.
lowercase K,
Helping friends and doing right.
lowercase L, lowercase
C
M,
is for caring, kind in every way. Sharing
lowercase
love and
n,
smiles each day.
lowercase
Is
O,
for daring, trying
lowercase
something
p,
new, jumping into adventures
lowercase
just like
q,
you.
lowercase
Is for
r,
energetic, jumping up and down.
lowercase
Full of
s,
laugh and
lowercase
never
d,
wearing a frown.
lowercase
Is for
u,
friendly, making lots of
lowercase
friends.
v,
Kindness and
lowercase
joy that
w,
never ends.
lowercase
Is for
x,
gentle, soft and
lowercase
sweet, kind
y,
words make
lowercase
life
z,
complete. H is for happy, smiling big and wide, spreading sunshine
little a,
far and wide. I is for
little
intelligent,
b,
learning something new. Bright
little c,
is just for you.
little d,
J is for joyful,
little
laughing
E,
all day long, dancing
little
to a
F,
happy song.
little g,
Is for kindness, helping
little
everyone,
h,
making the world
little I,
more fun.
little j,
Is for loving,
little K,
warm and true, sharing
little
hugs with
M,
me and you.
little M,
Is for magical, full of
little
dreams.
M,
Nothing is ever
little
as
O,
it seems.
little b,
Is for nice, polite,
little q,
showing others
little
that
r,
you care.
little s,
Is for optimistic,
little
seeing
d,
the bright side, hope and
little
smiles
u,
cannot
little
hide.
v,
Is
little
for playful,
w,
running all around,
little
laughing
x,
at every
little y,
sound.
little z,
For quick, ready to go,
tiny a,
learning fast and stealing
tiny
the
z,
show. R
tiny
is for
c,
responsible, doing
tiny
what is
d,
right, helping others
tiny
with
e,
all your might.
tiny f,
Is for smart thinking
tiny
every
g,
day,
tiny
finding
h,
clever ways
tiny
to
I,
play.
tiny j,
For thankful,
tiny
grateful,
k,
and true, saying thank
tiny
you,
l, tiny m,
like you.
tiny n,
You is
tiny
more
o,
unique,
tiny
special in
p,
your way. No one else is quite
tiny
like
q,
you today.
tiny
Be
r,
more vibrant,
tiny
colorful, and
s,
bright,
tiny t,
shining like a
tiny u,
rainbow light.
tiny v,
W is
tiny
for
w,
wonderful,
tiny
full of cheer,
x,
bringing
tiny y,
happiness far and
tiny
near.
z,
X is for exciting, full
small
of
a,
surprise, adventure shining
small
in your
b,
eyes. Y is for young,
small c,
playful and
small
free,
d,
climbing high like a happy tree.
small
Z
e,
is for zesty, full
small
of zest and
f,
fun, dancing under
small g,
the golden
small h,
sun.
small I,
Now
small
let's
j,
sing from
small
A
k,
again.
small
Call
l,
your
small
family,
m,
call your friends,
small m, small o,
spin around.
small b,
Letters make
small q,
joyful sound.
small
ABC,
r,
come sing with me.
small
D, E,
s,
F, as happy
small d,
as can be.
small u,
H, I, reach
small
for
v,
the sky. J,
small
K, L,
w,
give it a try.
small x,
N, O, watch
small
us
y,
go. P, Q,
small z,
R, you're a star.
mini a,
You, bright and true.
mini b,
W, X,
mini
fun
C,
little tricks.
mini
Y
d,
and Z, now we
mini
see.
e,
Alphabet is
mini f,
harmony. Again and again,
mini
let's
g,
play. Letters guide
mini
us
h,
every day. From
mini
A to
I,
Z, so
mini
fun
j,
to see.
mini k, mini
World
l,
learning for
mini
you
m,
and me.
mini n, mini o, mini p, mini q, mini r, mini s, mini d, mini u,
Come along,
mini
clap
V,
your hands, it's time to
mini
sing and
W,
play. Letters dancing all
mini
around,
X,
learning every day. From
Mini
A to Z, we'll
Y.
laugh and see how
Mini
special
Z.
they can be. Every
Let's
letter
try
has a
with the
charm.
pencil.
Come and
Lowercase
sing with
a.
me.
Lowercase b.
A is for amazing,
Lowercase
shining
c.
like the sun.
Lowercase
Always bright
d.
and cheerful,
Lowercase
number one
e.
for fun.
Lowercase
B is for
f.
brave, standing
Lowercase
tall and
g.
strong, helping
Lowercase
friends and doing
h.
right.
Lowercase
All day
I.
long.
Lowercase j.
Is for
Lowercase
caring,
k.
kind in every way.
Lowercase
Sharing
l.
love and smiles
Lowercase
each
m.
day. D is for daring,
Lowercase
trying
n.
something new,
Lowercase
jumping
o.
into
Lowercase
adventures
p.
just like you.
Lowercase
E
q.
is for energetic,
Lowercase
jumping up and
r.
down,
Lowercase
full of life and
s.
laughter,
Lowercase
never
d.
wearing a frown. F
Lowercase
is for friendly,
u.
making lots of
Lowercase
friends.
v.
Kindness
Lowercase
and joy
w.
that
Lowercase
never
x.
ends.
Lowercase
G is for
y.
gentle,
Lowercase
soft,
z.
and sweet, kind
Little
words
a.
make life complete.
Little b.
H is
Little
for
c.
smiling big and
Little
wide,
d.
spreading sunshine
Little e.
far and wide.
Little
I
f.
is for intelligent learning,
Little
something new,
g.
bright.
Little
I is
h.
just for you.
Little I. Little j.
Joyful,
Little
laughing
k.
all day long.
Little
Listening
m.
to
Little
a happy
m.
song.
Little
For
m.
kindness, helping
Little
everyone.
o. Little
Making
b.
the world
Little
more
q.
fun.
Little r.
Is for
Little
loving,
s.
warm and
Little
true.
e.
Sharing hugs
Little
with me
u.
and you.
Little v.
Is for
Little
magical,
w.
full of dreams.
Little x.
Nothing is
Little y.
as it
Little
seems.
z.
N is for nice,
Tiny
polite,
a.
and fair. Showing
Tiny b.
others that you
Tiny c.
O is
Tiny
for
d.
optimistic, seeing the
Tiny
bright
e.
side, hope and
Tiny
smiles you
f.
cannot hide.
Tiny g.
P is for
Tiny
playful,
h.
running all
Tiny
around,
I.
laughing
Tiny j.
every
Tiny
silly
k.
sound.
Tiny
Q is for
l.
quick,
Tiny m.
ready to go.
Tiny n.
Fast,
Tiny o.
stealing the show.
Tiny p.
R is for responsible,
Tiny
doing
Q.
what is right, helping
Tiny r.
others with
Tiny
more
s.
love.
Tiny t.
Is for smart,
Tiny u.
every day,
Tiny v.
finding
Tiny w.
clever ways
Tiny
to play.
x.
T
Tiny
is for
y.
thankful,
Tiny
grateful,
z.
and true, saying thank you. Just
Small a. Small b. Small c. Small d. Small e.
no one else is quite
Small
like
f.
you today. V
Small
is for
g.
vibrant,
Small
colorful,
h.
bright,
Small I.
shining
Small j.
light.
Small k. Small l.
U is
Small
for
m.
wonderful,
Small n. Small o.
happiness,
Small p.
near. X
Small
is
q.
for
Small
exciting,
r.
full
Small
of
s.
surprise,
Small
adventure
d.
shining
Small
in your
u.
eyes.
Small
Y is
v.
for young
Small
at
w.
heart, playful,
Small x.
free, climbing
Small
high
y.
like
Small
a
z.
happy tree. Z is for zesty, full of
Now
zest and
let's
fun,
match the
dancing
uppercase letters
under
with the lowercase letters.
golden
Let's match big A with the
Now
small
let's
a.
sing from A again.
Let's match big B with the small b.
Your friends, clap your hands and spin around.
Let's match big C with the small c.
Joyful sound. A B C, come sing with me. D E
Let's
F,
match big D with the small d.
G H I, reach for the sky. J K L, give it a try.
Let's match big E with the small e.
Watch us grow. P Q R, you're a
Let's
star.
match big F with the small f.
Right and true. V W X, fun little trick.
Let's match big G with the small g.
Alphabet is harmony.
Let's match big H with the small h.
Letters guide us every day from A to Z.
Let's match
So
big
fun
I
to
with the
see.
small I.
A world of learning for you and me.
Let's match big J with the small j. Let's match big K with the small k.
Come along, clap your hands, it's time to sing and play.
Let's
Letters
match
dancing
big
all
L
around,
with the
learning
small
every
L.
day. From A to Z, we'll laugh and see how special they can be. Every letter
Let's
has a
match big
charm.
M with the
Come
small
and
m.
sing with me. A is for amazing, shining like the sun.
Now again match the uppercase letters with the lowercase one. Let's match uppercase A with the small a.
Helping friends and doing right all day long.
Let's match uppercase B with the small b.
Sharing love and smiles each day. D is for daring, trying
Let's match
something new,
uppercase C
jumping
with the
into
small c.
adventures just like you. E is for energetic, jumping up and down, full of
Let's
laughter
match
and never
uppercase
wearing
E
a
with the
frown.
small e.
F is for friendly, making lots of friends, kindness and joy that never
Let's
ends.
match uppercase D with the small d.
Soft and sweet, kind words make life complete. H
Let's
is for
match
happy,
uppercase
smiling,
F
big
with the
and
small
wise, spreading
f.
sunshine far and wide. I is for
Let's match
intelligent,
uppercase
learning
G with the
something
small
new.
g.
Ideas just for you. J is for
Let's
joyful,
match
laughing
uppercase
all day
H with the
long,
small h.
dancing to a happy song.
Let's match uppercase I with the small I.
Making the world more fun.
Now match the capital letters with the smaller one. Capital ABC is matched to the lower a b c. Let's match the capital DEF with the smaller DEF. Let's match the capital GHI with the small GHI. Let's match the capital M and O with the small M and O. Let's match the capital JKL with the small JKL. Let's match the capital PQR with the small PQR. Let's match the capital STU with the small STU. Let's match the capital VWX with the small VWX. Let's match the capital YZA with the small YZA. Now let's match the capital and small letters together. Let's match the big A with the small a.
Dancing under the golden sun. Now let's sing from A again.
Let's match the big B with the small b.
Call your friends.
Let's match the big C with the small c.
Spin around. Letters make a joyful sound. A B C, come sing with me. D E
Let's
F,
match the big D with the small d.
B G H I. Reach for the sky. J K L. Give it a try. M N O.
Let's match the big E with the small e.
You are, you're a star. S T U, bright and true. V W.
Let's match the big F with the small f.
Y and Z. Now we see. Alphabet.
Let's match the big G with the small g.
Again and again, let's sing and play.
Let's match the big H with the small h.
From A to Z, so fun to see.
Let's match the big I with the small I.
And me.
Let's match the big J with the small j. Let's match the big K with the small k.
Come along, clap your hands, it's time to sing and play. Letters
Let's
dancing
match the
all
big
around,
L
learning
with the
every
small
day.
L.
From A to Z, we'll laugh and see how special they can
Let's
be.
match the
Every
big
letter
M
has
with
a
the
charm.
small m.
Come and sing with me. A is for amazing, shining like the sun.
Let's
Always
match
bright
the
and
big N
cheerful,
with the
number
small
one for
n.
fun. B is for brave, standing tall and strong, helping friends and doing right. all
Let's
day
match the big
long.
O with the
C
small
is for
o.
caring, kind in every way, sharing love and smiles each day. D
Let's
is
match
for
the big
daring,
P with
trying
the small
something
p.
new, jumping into into adventures just like you. E is for energetic.
Let's smash the big Q with the small q.
Laughter, never wearing a frown. F is for friendly, making lots of friends.
Let's smash the big R with the small r.
G is for gentle, soft and sweet, kind words.
Let's smash the big S with the small s.
H is for happy, smiling big and wide.
Let's smash the big T with the small t.
I is for intelligent, learning something new.
Let's smash the big U with the small u.
J is for joyful, laughing all day long.
Let's smash the big V with the small v.
K is for kindness, helping everyone.
Let's smash the big W with the small w.
More fun. L is for loving, warm and
Let's
true.
smash the big X with the small x.
Me and you. M is for magical.
Let's smash the big Y with the small y.
Ever as it seems. N is for nice.
Let's smash the big C with the small c.
Showing others that you care.
Yeah, well done kids, good job.
Seeing the bright side.
Great job, kids. You learned ABCs with all these amazing words. Keep practicing and singing along. See you next time.